While the hibiscus plant serves as a beautiful flower, it is also important to note its benefits. I like to refer to these as beauty and brains because not only is it pleasant to the eye, it can also improve your health. Consumption of the hibiscus tea has been proven to lower blood pressure in people with mild hypertension. Although it is important to note that excessive use may be risky, let's just say, everything is good in moderation. Hibiscus is said to promote hair growth and prevent hair loss. Its rich components like amino acids strengthens and nourishes hair roots. You can use it as a rinse, shampoo or an oil for your scalp. Hibiscus has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties which can help to improve skin conditions like eczema and acne. The hydrating properties in the hibiscus plant leaves you with supple and soft skin for those suffering from dry, flaky skin. Although more research is needed to confirm the extent of its benefits, the hibiscus plant has been found to have anti-cancer properties. If you're watching your weight, the hibiscus tea might just be the perfect choice of beverage for you. It is packed with nutrients and very low in calories. What a win! To make the refreshing and healthy hibiscus tea, steep dried hibiscus in boiling water, wait for about 20 minutes and sweeten to taste. You can also add ginger and lime for an extra healthy kick. Now that you know just a few things about this beauty, it's time to start living a healthier life. See you next time and all the best in your endeavors.